Coming to the last part, now imagine you are building a Java app that writes logs, saves user data and generates reports. If you use file writer alone, every character you write triggers a disk write, which is slow for large files. We need a faster way to write text to a file efficiently. Buffer writer is the solution. It writes data in chunks using a buffer, making writing much faster and providing handy methods like new line. Now let's see the syntax and the code for it. See the syntax for buffer writer. Here I have written buffered writer BW is equal to new buffered writer and then new buffer writer file name dot txt. Now here I am declaring a variable BW of type buffer writer. This variable will handle writing text to a file efficiently. Then we have new buffer writer. This creates a buffer writer object. Buffer writer adds a buffer to the writer, so data is collected in memory first and then written to disk in larger chunks. This is faster than writing character by character. Then we have new file writer and then file name.txt. This creates a file writer object to open file name.txt. And this is the syntax for buffer writer. Now let's see the code for it. So for that, let's comment out the syntax, and I am here pasting the code directly to avoid extra time. Now you can see the output. Hello, this line is written using buffered writer and buffer writer makes writing faster. Now notice these lines are preserved thanks to the buffered reader. In sample.txt we have these lines written, so it came as the output.